So today I'm gonna harvest this box of super honey that I took from the bees yesterday, 12 frames. Obviously, I want to keep everything clean and pure and original. So I'm out here now giving the spinner a nice brush down and clean, dry it up and ready to be used. So we don't want any moisture content added to the honey, so everything has to be absolutely dry before starting to do any extractions. So today we're going to spin some honey. So we've got 12 frames from the bees, fully sealed. So first thing first, I've got my spinner all nice and cleaned up, and then it's a matter of uncapping ever so slightly, taking off the caps. Be as light as possible. Liquid gold, Christchurch Hill honeys. So this is the last lot of the frames. These ones are quite big frames, to be honest, and yeah, gonna give them a spin, and then it will be the time to put it into that, filter it into the bucket, get a majority of the wax off. Don't want to filter it too much and take away all the goodness. So nice, man. Oh, just smells beautiful. There we go. That's all the honey done. Nice and clean workplace as well. And time to put it into the bucket. First of all, weigh the bucket, then weigh the amount of honey that came out of it afterwards, or that came into it, and then yeah, I know how much honey I harvest from the 12 frames. Ready? Whoa. Oh. Liquid gold. It's pouring through. I actually forgot to weigh the bucket, but never mind. Quite a lot still left in there. It's pouring through. Lovely. The first jar.